In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Finviz Descriptive Filters. First, log into Finviz and head to finviz.com. At the top of the page, click on Screener. This is your command center for narrowing a massive stock universe into a focused, workable list. You'll see several filter categories. For this walkthrough, we'll work inside the Descriptive tab, which controls the basic characteristics of the stocks you'll be screening. Open the Descriptive tab. Think of this section as the foundation of your scan, where a stock trades, what broad group it belongs to, and other high-level traits. A helpful tip is to start broad and then tighten your criteria as you go, so you don't over-filter too early and end up with zero results. Begin with the exchange drop-down. Choose the exchanges you care about, such as NASDAQ or NYSE. This immediately limits your scan to reputable, major markets and keeps out listings you might not want to analyze. If you're following a particular strategy, say, focusing on established companies, sticking to these primary exchanges can improve quality right from the start. Next, use the index drop-down to focus on a well-known basket like the S&P 500 or the Dow. Index filters are great when you want blue chips, large caps, or a predefined group that aligns with your risk profile. Keep in mind that the exchange and index filters work together, so the more specific you get, the smaller your list will become. Now choose a sector to align your scan with a theme or macro view, such as technology or healthcare. This groups companies by their broad line of business. Then, drill down with the industry filter to get even more targeted, like selecting semiconductor equipment within technology. Sector tells you the neighborhood. Industry picks the exact street. Use the country filter to restrict stocks based on where the company is headquartered. This is useful if you're focusing on domestic names, diversifying internationally, or aligning with specific regulatory environments and currencies. Optionally, refine by market cap to control for company size, small, mid, or large. This helps keep your scan consistent with your goals, whether you want stability and scale or growth and agility. If liquidity matters to you, consider average volume, relative volume, or current volume. Average volume shows typical activity, relative volume highlights unusual trading compared to normal, and current volume tells you what's happening today. These help ensure your picks are tradable. Finally, you can narrow further with price, dividend yield, short float, and similar traits. Set a price range that fits your strategy, screen for income with dividends, or use short interest as a sentiment gauge. Just remember that very high short float can imply higher risk. That's the Descriptive tab in Finviz, a powerful, simple way to set the stage for deeper screening. Keep an eye on your result count as you filter, adjust as needed, and you'll arrive at a focused, actionable list.